Today, we are going to be talking about the Harbor Freight Mini Box. Took the world by surprise. This thing is awesome. So, let's get started. This mini box comes in at just $18. Has one lid, white, right? It opens up. The top is half an inch deep. The top is half an inch deep. So together, when it closes, you have 1 inch of space right before it hits anything. The first drawer is 1 inch deep. The second drawer is 2 inches deep. It's slightly deeper, right? This mini box for $18, you can fit a lot of cool different things inside, right? 2 inches deep on the bottom. You can, little tools for woodworking. I kind of was thinking I could keep it by bedside and kind of keep it for everyday carry stuff, right? Maybe your keys, your wallet in here, Leathermaners or a knife up top, magazines. But I love it. This thing seems really cool. So I'm definitely going to keep it in the basement somewhere with 3D printer parts. I'm going to use it to store crap for one of my hobbies, that's for sure. Up here in the woodworking area, downstairs with my other toolboxes, by my bed with everyday carry stuff. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it seemed like too cool of a thing to pass up. And now that I'm looking at it in person, it was definitely worth the money. The piano hinge is really nice. It doesn't seem like it's going to break or just snap off. Maybe some WD-40 wouldn't hurt. But you have the nice piano hinge. You have two drawers. For $18, this thing's really cool. And I'm really going to enjoy using it around the shop in some way. There's a number of other companies I've seen that have mini boxes available. Cobalt makes one. I know you can get them on Amazon from various brands. And I've heard that Sam's Club has their own. So between those three, there's other options out there. I believe this one is the cheapest, coming in at $18. Plus, my other boxes are US General, so this is going to match all of them. It seems like it's good quality to me. I'm looking forward to seeing how it holds up. I will let you guys know if anything happens to it, how it wears, if it breaks. The drawer slides seem really nice. It's not just metal on metal, right? It has actual drawer slides, so it opens and closes very easily. It's very smooth. They have a little bit of side-to-side play. I don't think that's gonna cause any real harm. It's a little wiggly, a little sloppy side to side, but it's Harbor Freight at the end of the day. It's still a really cool box, right? Move side to side a little bit. I don't think it's gonna be an issue. Like I said, the drawer slides make it nice and smooth. There's also a magnet. You can hear it in the back of each drawer. Ready? When the drawer shuts, it's gonna grab on the back. Ready? There. So that magnet, the magnet holds the drawer into the box. So at the top, open or down, it doesn't matter. The drawers don't open by themselves, right? The magnet does a pretty good job of not letting the drawers open. So if this is in the back of your truck or rolling around, not really rolling, but if it's, leaning back and forth somewhere, your stuff isn't just going to come out. Maybe if you add some weight to the drawers, it's going to make a little bit of a difference. But initially, here, just looking at it, the drawers aren't opening on the drawers are not going to open on their own. I'd say this is worth it. I got it in black. I think they had it in red, green, blue, just the typical US General colors. I don't know. I might buy one for work. It just seems like too good of a deal to not have a couple. I really appreciate you guys coming back here to watch and hang out with me. Let me know how you like the new area. This is up the second floor of my garage. It's January. I'm freezing. I've got a little space heater going. My name's Zach. On this channel, we talk about tools. We test tools. We build stuff. We do projects for my wife in the house. And we're just hanging out together. If you like this and want to see more of stuff like this, tool reviews, working on stuff, projects, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. I'm not going to twist your arm, though. Subscribe. It would really help me out a lot if you give it a thumbs up and just leave a silly little comment. Again, my name's Zach. Nice to meet you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.